Now let's make this beautiful fall wreath bow. All right, I'm going to get started by taking a piece of my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for. Probably a wreath bow. So I want to make sure that I have enough Bowdabra bow wire to fold it in half, and then also have enough left over to put on a wreath. Okay, here we go. I'm folding it in half, laying it down into my Bowdabra and just tucking the ends underneath. Then I'm going to go back and forth, and I'm just going to twist this with my mesh. And the mesh gives a good, I don't need to do that, gives a good background of the bow so that it pops, it really pops. So we're going to make a 2-loop bow and fold this out. I'm 4 loops, 2 loops on each side. So I'm just bringing it over here, pinching it together, twisting it, and doing the same thing here, bringing it back over, twisting it, and laying it down into my Bowdabra. So then I'll just cut the mesh, make sure I only cut the end of this here. Mesh, as you know, when you're working with deco mesh, it all gets together. So then what I'm going to do here is take my tail, and we're just going to lay that down. And I've already dovetailed. For those of you that watch me a lot, you know that I always dovetail beforehand, so you don't have to watch me dovetail on my ribbon unless I forget to dovetail something. Then here, I'm just going to do a fold and twist bow. So I'm just folding it over and twisting in, folding, twisting, and just folding and twisting and fold. And the reason that we twist is so that the right side of the ribbon is on the inside. So the right side of the ribbon is on the outside of the loops. We'll just fold and twist and fold and twist and just finish up there. Then I have, we're going to make an X here, so the tails will go up. So I have this burlap. Oops, that's the wrong side. Make sure I have it in the right side. The burlap has a wire in it, so I can tell which is the right side and which is the wrong side. This is the right side, so I have the right side up. And we're just making an X. And then I'm going to actually take my wand and give everything a good scrunch. Now, if you want to know what we have, what materials we're using, and how much of each material, we have them all listed. So I'm just going to take the wrong side, I'm going to take the wrong side of the ribbon, lay that down, or right side, I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, lay that down, bring this around like a circle, bring it back down, take the wrong side of the ribbon, put that down, and then I'm going to come to the center, and I have my loop. I'm going to give everything a good push again with my wand. So now we have those loops. Now we're going to do another X, and the reason we do this is we have the direction that the trucks are going. We want everything going in the right direction. So our trucks are going off there, and then we have this one, and we have the trucks going up. I love this ribbon with the sunflowers. It's so pretty. And then now what we're going to do is make a shoestring bow. And the shoestring bow is basically what I do is I fold my ribbon in half and then lay it in the center, lay it into my Bowdabra. And what's nice about this shoestring bow is, again, the trucks will go, they won't be upside down, they're going in the right direction. And we fold this back over here so you can see in the bow, the trucks are all going in the right direction. Then I'm going to make another shoestring bow using my, let's go to the center here, using our wired burlap. So we have in this bow, we've got 2 wired burlaps. One is yellow and one is red. And then we have our sunflower. And we're just going to lay the sunflower in the center. Then I'll take my Bowdabra wand, give everything a good push. So this is a fairly large bow. I could not make this by hand. I don't know, you guys might be able to, but it definitely makes it nice to have the Bowdabra to put everything in. And I want to thank everybody for watching and joining me in all our videos. We have over, oh my gosh, thousands of projects at Bowdabra.com. So definitely check out Bowdabra.com and all of our projects. Then we're just going to take this, tie a knot. What am I doing? I don't want to tie a knot. Well, it doesn't matter. We'll go around to the back and tie a knot here. Well, I'm just doing everything backwards, but I guess that shows you that you can't really do it wrong with Bowdabra. And I'm going to just knot that one more time just for safe measure. And now I'm going to shape out my bow, bring my sunflower up, and bring my tails up, and shape out all my loops. I've got so many loops in this bow. And bring it here, big loop here, and take this. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with me, I'm actually Sandy Sandler. I'm the creator of the Bowdabra. And we've had the Bowdabra's been around for a long time, which is why we have so many tutorials and videos. And let's do this here. So we're just shaping this out. Let me take a look at what I've got here. And we'll go to the front-facing video. And as you can see, we have this absolutely beautiful wreath bow. I can keep shaping this if I want. Okay, so thanks everyone so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.